morning everyone. Today we will learn about the branches of accounting. Branches of accounting. Already I didn't mention the what is accounting. Accounting is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing the financial transactions and events, communicating the information to its user when needed for decision making. And now start the branches of accounting. Branches of accounting, there are the three types. First one, financial accounting. Next one, cost accounting. And third one, management accounting. Management accounting. Okay. Branches of accounting classified into the three categories. First one, financial accounting. Second one, cost accounting. Third one, management accounting. Now first one, financial accounting. It is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing and analyzing and recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting the financial transactions and events. In this branch, purpose, a systematically recording of keep systematically recording to ascertain financial performance and financial position. Financial performance and financial position, and communicate information to interested parties. That's it. Clear? Financial accounting is nothing but it is the process of recording. Recording means all the transaction. First of all, identifying the monetary transaction recording into the chronological order is nothing but journal. And next, transfer of journal to the ledger in separate posting ledger. Summarizing is nothing but all the transaction recording into the one place trial balance. Now analyzing each and every transaction, analyzing and interpreting the financial transaction and events. Now in this branch, purpose of the first of all to keep systematic recording and find out financial performance. Financial performance is nothing but profit and loss account. How much profit earned, how much loss into the period, and financial position. Financial position is nothing but balance sheet. Balance sheet. It is not a account, it is a statement to find out the position. Now, how much asset, how much liabilities, and finally, communicate information to the interested parties. Those who are in need of the accounting information, providing the accounting information to the interested parties like internal and external users. Clear. Now, second, cost accounting. Cost accounting. It is the process of accounting first and controlling the cost of product or services or functions and operation. Clear? Cost accounting, it is a process of accounting. First of all, controlling the cost of product. Controlling the cost of product or services or functions or operation. Now, in this branch purpose to ascertain the various cost of product or services. Now, second point, controlling the cost, and communicate cost related information, for decision making. Clear? In this process of cost accounting, now first point, to ascertain the various costs of product or services. Now second one, controlling the cost, and third one, communicate cost related information for the decision making. Now third one, management accounting. Management accounting. It is the process of application for technique. It is the process of application for accounting technique, application for accounting techniques for providing information to assist to manage for the policies of for making planning and controlling and finally decision making for all the activities of the enterprise, Clear? Third one, management accounting. Now, management accounting is nothing but it is a process of application for accounting techniques for providing information to the assist manage, like making the planning, controlling decisions and all the activities of the enterprise. It is the management accounting. Now, simply example of the management accounting. Now, Mr. A company maintain the two products. One product biscuits, another product chocolates. Now, totally 1000 chocolates here. Now 1000 chocolates sale. 1000 chocolates sale into the. Now first of all, 1000 chocolates manufacturing cost 10,000. Now sale of the 1000 chocolates, total cost, manufacturing cost and total sale 20,000. Now finally profit, how much profit? 10,000 profit. Product A biscuit. Now product B chocolate, total 500 chocolates cost 5,000. Now generally sales 500 chocolates 4,500. And now finally 5,000 total cost but sale 4,500, remaining 500 loss. Now management think about the biscuit product profit for the 10,000. Okay. Now chocolate product loss for the 500. Now management thinking about the close of the chocolate product. Now continue the biscuit product into the market. Now decision for the finally management is known as management accounting. Now finally branches of accounting. Once again, branches of accounting, three types. First one financial, second one costing, third one management. Simply financial accounting, find out the financial performance and financial position. Financial performance is nothing but profit and loss account. Financial position is nothing but balance sheet. Now second, cost. How much cost? Manufacturing of the any product, first of all estimation and how much cost and issue the market prices. Now first of all, controlling the cost of the product. Controlling the cost of the product. Now second one, controlling cost. Third one, communicate cost related information to the decision making. And finally, management side all the information together to making another step for the management accounting, like planning, controlling, decision making for the activities of the enterprise. Okay, that's it.